Hi everyone, this is Tom Rowe, Product Evangelist for CentreStack. Welcome to CentreStack. I'm signing in as the Cluster Administrator, and I'm going to go to Default Group Policy. And this will affect all of my tenants. I'm going to go down to Endpoint Protection under the Client Settings Manager, and I'm going to select my documents and my pictures. Now once these are checked, I'll hit Save. And then I'm going to jump over to a Windows client machine. So here I am on my Windows client. I'm logging in as Bob. And I'm going to open up a folder with some files in it. I'm also going to open my cloud drive. Now what's great about this is it doesn't require any effort on the user's part. If they go into their Documents folder and copy a bunch of files in there, those files are automatically synchronized to the cloud, and I don't have to do anything else. I'm completely backed up. So that about does it for this one. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and like and share. We really appreciate that, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.